In Nagaland, 5 more returnees who arrived from Chennai have tested COVID-19 positive this morning. Health Minister S. Pangnyupom took to Twitter saying a Tuensang-bound passenger who was released yesterday from Kohima Quarantine Center tested COVID-19 positive. His report was received this morning. Contact tracing is in process and they are all undergoing proper medical treatment at COVID-19 hospitals in Dimapur, Kohima and in Tuensang. With this, the tally of Nagaland stands at 9, 6 in Dimapur, 2 in Kohima and 1 in Tuensang as on May 27th. Nagaland Chief Minister Neiphiu, who is also the chairman of Nagaland State Disaster Management Authority, held a meeting today regarding the inter-district transfer of returnees. Decisions taken in the meeting include the returnees bound for other districts who are being initially quarantined at the quarantine facilities at Dimapur and Kohima shall be sent to the respective districts only after conducting the COVID-19 tests on them and after obtaining the results. The Health and Family Welfare Department shall inform the status of the tests of the returnees to the Kohima and Dimapur District Task Force on time, and the districts will make the travel plan accordingly. There shall be proper coordination between the sending and the receiving districts, along with arrangements for necessary refreshments if required. The plans for sending the returnees to their districts should be prepared at least one day in advance with proper intimation to the concerned minister or advisors who have been assigned districts to monitor. With the state registering 9 COVID-19 cases in a short span, Governor R.N. Ravi today reviewed the preparedness of the state in the backdrop of recent positive cases reported in the state. He laid emphasis on rigorous contact tracing and stressed the need for more biosafety labs in the state. The Nagaland State Disaster Management Authority, Home Department, in coordination with Regional Meteorological Center Guwahati, issued weather updates for the coming days. Heavy to very heavy rainfall activity is expected in the state over the following week. Thunderstorms with lightning accompanied with gusty wind speed between 30 to 40 km per hour is very likely to occur at Wokha, Zunhaboto, Kifire, Mukokchung, Longlang, Mon and Tuensang. The next few days, Nagaland will experience heavy rains and strong winds and also the possibility of flash floods as well as landslides. Department of Health and Family Welfare issued the latest COVID-19 sample testing status of Nagaland as on May 27, 2020. Cumulative number of samples sent for testing, 1,506. Number of results received, 1,187. Total number of positive results, 9. Total number of negative results, 1,178. Number of samples sent after 3 p.m. of May 26th to 3 p.m. of May 27th, 101. Number of samples awaited, 319. Number of samples tested by TrueNet, 48. Number of samples tested negative by TrueNet, 47. Number of samples tested positive by TrueNet, 0. Number of samples results awaited, 1. Number of persons presently at facility quarantine, 3,324. Number of persons out of home quarantine, 7,012. From all of us here at NE8, stay safe.